Okay, I've got my mode switch wired in there. Right now it's not the switch, it's just the plug-in for the back of it. I'll have to drill the hole for the actual switch in that little panel I showed you that has the rear window defogger switch in it. But it's all set up to go there. I've actually already wired the there's a yellow and black wire there you can see. That is from the mode switch because both the LED and the switch itself just ground. So a momentary ground on the mode switch switches it. And of course the LED, it grounds and lights up. So the other thing I've done is I have put terminals on the end of the power wire for the transmission and on the ground wire for the transmission. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug I put a male spade connector, because that's what's required to connect to the fuse box, on the power wire for the transmission, and I put a ring connector on the ground wire because that's what's required. Now the speedometer output from the transmission, that's for an electronic speedometer, which I don't have. I have a cable driven one, so that wire is going to get taped up. I'm going to tape that up, and then I'll make a separate snippet of me trying to connect those wires, because if you can't see anything, I just won't put it in the video of this wiring job here. And if I am able to do that without blocking the view too much, then I will include it. Okay, I'm going to try to get in there and connect some wires without getting too much in the way. Hot wire goes to the spade connector on the fuse box. Okay, that's on. The ground wire is going to go to the ground bar, and then I'm going to pull this harness back after I get this I haven't taped up the wire yet that's not used the speedometer out. So I think my hand's getting in the way of that, so probably not gonna video all this tightening. So just a little bit of tape on this wire, a little bit of tightening, and I'll pull the excess wire for that transmission. back that off just a little bit, or move it and show you the connector for that gray connector is the connector for the mode switch for the transmission. So once I drill a hole in that panel, put the switch through, plug that in, I can mount the panel.